Okay, so today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's introduce ourselves first. My name is Teacher Cindy. What's your name?
My name is Henry.
Hello, Henry. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Very good. Okay, so Henry, you choose cat one or cat two?
Cat one.
Okay, so let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, here we go. So, what food you like best? You like best? I like chicken
Mm.
because delicious.
Okay, great. Okay, who often does the cooking in your family?
My mother often cook in my family.
Mm-hmm. Next, what is your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal of the day is dinner.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Because it rice.
Okay, you eat rice. Okay, good. Next, talk about the dish that you like best.
I like beef noodle
Mm-hmm.
because
It's
it's
health, healthy.
healthy.
Uh-huh. Okay, great. What food don't you like?
I don't like pizza
Mm.
because I'm healthy.
All right, good. Next, do you love cooking?
I
Yeah.
I love cook
Cook.
in
Mm. Do you love cooking? Yes, I do know that. Yes. Okay, so what kind of food can you cook? I can cook.
I can cook
So,
I can cook
do you cook rice, eggs? I can cook. Can you cook rice? Yes. Oh, okay, great job. Okay, thank you so much, Harry. Goodbye.